Will this handle work on non-standard or specialty toilets? For unique fixtures, first measure the handle bore and the tank wall thickness because most specialty toilets use non-standard shaft lengths or uncommon mounting orientations. Focus on the handle shaft diameter, length from the outside of the tank to the lever pivot, and the inside clearance around the actuator arm. If the shaft is too short, the lever will not engage the trip mechanism, and if it is too long, you will not be able to tighten the retaining nut properly. Choose a handle with an adjustable or replaceable shaft when possible, or one that uses a universal coupling that can be trimmed or fitted to the correct length using basic hand tools like a hacksaw and file. When fitting a universal design, confirm the direction of pull or push required by the tank mechanism because some specialty tanks operate with a push motion rather than the more common pull motion, and many universal handles allow reversing of the lever orientation by rotating the handle body and rethreading the retaining nut. If access is limited behind the tank, consider a handle that uses a side access retaining clip or a captive nut so you can tighten it from the outside without reaching into narrow cavities. Always dry fit before final assembly and cycle the flush multiple times to check that the chain or lift wire has proper slack and that the flapper seats correctly after the lever is released. Common problems include binding where the handle catches on the tank lip or a nearby supply line, and this is fixed by trimming the lever length slightly or changing the rotation orientation so it clears obstacles. Another frequent issue is incorrect chain length, which either prevents full lift or leaves the flapper partially open and wasting water. Set the chain so there is just enough slack to allow the flapper to fully close without tension and tighten the connecting clip to hold the length. A third concern is using a handle with an incompatible shaft diameter that will spin without engaging the trip arm. Swap to a handle with a universal bushing set that includes several inner sleeves to match the shaft diameter, or use a small shim of non-corrosive material to fill the gap and restore torque transfer. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who work on unusual fixtures and complex plumbing jobs, and we help contractors find projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world fit tips, photos, and step-by-step advice so you can confirm compatibility before you buy.